What's up mga paps? Narinig mo na ba yung term na tempo run, PR, or cadence? Kung hindi pa, samahan mo ako. Let's decode 5 most common running jargons. Number 1, PR. It means personal record. It's your best time for a specific distance, like your fastest 5K ever. Number 2, tempo run. A controlled, hard run. Pero hindi yung sobrang todo bigay. But, syempre, challenging pa rin. Tempo run is great for building speed and endurance. Number 3, cadence. This is the number of steps that you take per minute. The ideal is around 170 to 180. Mas mabilis, syempre, mas efficient. Number 4, negative split. Running the second half of your run faster than the first. Sign of a smart pacing strategy. Then last one, number 5 is bonk. When your body runs out of energy mid-run, usually because of poor fueling. Ito yung parang feeling mo, nauupos kang kandila. Kumbaga sa cycling, laspag. Now you know. So the next time you hear a runner say, I bunked at 10K but still hit a PR with a negative split, gets mo na, di ba, Pops? Yun lang. Happy Thursday. Run, 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 Arcovia! Yee!